Repeat the process of the previous video for all sections, and now let's put them together. I like to put the sessions together on the wool pressing mat. Align the sessions one on top of the other. Place pins at both ends and a few more along the line. Check on the other side if the alignment is correct. Otherwise, reposition the pins. With the pins in vertical position, place the wonder clips. Carefully remove the pins. Repeat for the other sessions. Sew over the line. Fold the paper at the seam allowance region and remove it. Use the tweezers if necessary. On a wool pressing mat, pass the seams, in this case open, but this is not a rule. Analyze the bulk and number of seams on each side. Place the tailor's clapper over the seam and leave for a few minutes. Repeat for the other sessions. Now let's put the 4 sessions together. To make the alignment more precise, I like to pin both sides and only then put them together. I think this makes it easier to see where the correct points are. Place pins along the line and check both sides for correctness, otherwise, replace them. With the pins in vertical position, place the wonder clips. Carefully remove the pins. sew over the line. Fold the paper at the seam allowance region and remove it. Iron your seams open and don't forget the tailor's clapper. It will help make your seams flatter. Place your block on the cutting mat and, if necessary, trim the edges to put it in the square. Thanks for watching.